Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some changes we've done to sculpting tools in Mesh Morpher. We enhanced them with a lot of functionalities, and I want to show you what changed, right? First of all, now we can change brush size, fall off and strength with the shortcut keys. If we hold B and move left and right, we can adjust the brush size. The incremental factor is the step size here. So now it's the default is 001. So use you can customize that. We can also change the fall off the same way, and the strength with the fall off is using N key, a brush is using B key, and strength is using S key. You can see it in the side panel, the value changes, right? And also it gets printed near the cursor, so you can see it on the screen as well in the viewport, right? So this is one of the things that changed. We can also have a selection and smooth the entire selection. If we have this selection, if we have this full selection and we go to smooth and apply smoothing, everything gets smoothed, right? We can also draw a selection and it will be the same. Let me do selection, and if we apply smoothing, only the selection will get smoothed. Same goes for restore. We can also apply restore to a selection. Either we draw the selection or we can select from here whatever we want to restore, right? Another thing that changed is with transform tool. When we make a selection, the gizmo gets automatically positioned at the center of the selection. So if we make multiple selections here, it will get positioned at the center. Behavior now only has render unselected, so if you don't want to render what's not selected, you can disable this, and everything else will get removed. We also have now smooth for each tool. So if we make a movement, we apply a tool and then we hold shift, we can apply immediately smoothing without changing the tool. We have this new material mode with the focus uses vertex color, which prints different which uses a different color for each section. It's random. So if we do like this, we'll see that each section has its own color. This is pretty useful, so you can see penetrations, intersections between the sections. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Well, the sculpting tools have been totally revamped. They perform better, and yeah, that's it. See you around. Bye.